So the thing about Asia is that you never have enough electrical outlet available. So within my master bedroom, this is it. And then there is one like way up there in the corner. And typically the Lao Thai would have a ceiling fan mounted up there. And we had a great idea. Yeah, let's just buy extension cords, power strip. So this is what we got. However, here's what you get when you open it. Ta-da! 3-prong. Now look at my outlet and look at what I have. I cannot use this. So what do we need? Look! So first I have to put this 2-connector converter. And then I can plug in my extension cord. Hopefully I can plug it in and have it work. There we go. Let's see. And here it is. Lit up. This is ridiculous. Right? And I'm not doing this right. And you can hear that the fan is going on, but if you get a closer look, this is not completely in. And you can see the sparks there. Okay, I won't get electrocuted. But this is just annoying. Maybe I might have to wait for my hubby to come and do this so he gets electrocuted. Oh, sparks. And you can hear the fan went off. If I hold it down, the fan goes back. But, oh, there it is. All the little annoyances around here.